This is Polymerupdate TV, the world's first and only TV network with a free petrochemicals news show. I'm Pratiksha Karkera in Mumbai. It's good to have you with us. On account of our fast-growing viewership from industry players across the world, our advertising rates have been revised higher with effect from November 1st, 2018. Our special news reel today is sponsored by Hyderabad-based Kinetic Polymers. Let's start with domestic market news. Domestic producers have reduced PP and PE prices with effect from November 15, 2018. PP and LLDPE prices have been lowered by 3 rupees per kg basic. HDPE injection low MFI has seen a price reduction of 1 rupee per kg basic. HDPE monofilament, raffia and HDPE film prices were down adjusted by 3 rupees per kg basic, while all other HDPE grade prices were slashed by 5 rupees per kg basic. LLDPE prices were reduced by 3 rupees per kg basic. Prices of LDPE extrusion coating grade have seen a reduction of 2 rupees per kg basic, while all other LDPE grade prices have been reduced by 1 rupee per kg basic. Fresh price protections have been announced with effect from November 15, 2018 till month end or the next price change, whichever is earlier. PVC prices have been rolled over. Moving on to energy and feedstock news. Crude futures gained on Wednesday as the Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries and its partners are discussing a proposal to cut output by up to 1.4 million barrels per day, more than officials had mentioned previously. WTI traded at $56.25, up 56 cents per barrel, while Brent finished at $66.12, a rise of 65 cents per barrel. According to Vandana of Vanda Insights, crude futures resumed their journey downhill early Thursday in Asia after notching modest gains in the West the previous day, pressured by another sizable weekly build in US crude inventories reported by the American Petroleum Association. Open spec naphtha prices plunged by $27 per metric ton to the $510 per metric ton CFR Far East Asia levels. Propylene prices in Asia dropped on Wednesday. A combination of factors were seen responsible for the price fall, including softer energy prices, weaker buying sentiments and bearish downstream PP demand and pricing trends. FOB Korea prices were assessed at the $980 per metric ton levels, while CFR China prices of propylene were assessed at the $1,020 per metric ton levels, both down $20 per metric ton from Tuesday's assessed levels. Ethylene prices in Asia climbed on Wednesday. The price rise was supported by limited product availability in the region. CFR Northeast Asia prices of ethylene were assessed up at the $960 per metric ton mark, a rise of $25 per metric ton from Tuesday's assessed levels. CFR Southeast Asia prices were assessed lower at the $865 per metric ton levels, a day-on-day gain of $10 per metric ton. Let's take a look at futures on China Dalian Commodity Exchange for today. On November 15, 2018, LLDPE prices are higher by 15 RMB per metric ton from the previous settlement at 9,030 RMB per metric ton. PP rates are lower by 18 RMB per metric ton from the previous settlement at 9,419 RMB per metric ton. PVC prices are up by 20 RMB per metric ton from the previous settlement at 6,355 RMB per metric ton. Moving on to plant news, Reliance Industries Ltd has taken off stream its 315,000 metric ton per year polyvinyl chloride plant located at Dalian in Gujarat of India early this week for a maintenance turnaround. The plant is likely to remain under maintenance for about 2 weeks. Polymerupdate is now on Google Assistant and Google Home devices. Just ask the right question about polymer, related news and prices. Our special news reel today is sponsored by Hyderabad-based Kinetic Polymers, makers of various ESD-safe products like anti-static and conductive products. The company fabricates ESD furniture like workstations, tables, ESD chairs, ESD trolleys and shelves. The company also makes various master batches like anti-static, conductive, VCI, anti-rodent, HIPS, etc. That's all for today's Polymer News. Watch our daily news video tomorrow to know more. It's Thursday, November 15th. I'm Pratiksha Karkera. Thank you. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/polymerupdate and be sure to click the like button. You can also find us on Twitter at Polymerupdate. For the latest news from the plastics and petrochemicals industry, subscribe to our YouTube channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon.